Right, we're looking at combined mean. So the question says there are 12 boys in the class with a mean test score of 15 and 18 girls in the class with a mean test score of 17. What is the combined mean score of the class? Remember, mean is the total of our data divided by the number of pieces of data we have. Now that's the standard version of writing that formula for mean, but I'm going to write this using the triangle because that's what I prefer. It makes it easier because we're going to have to rearrange that formula. So it's a mean equals total and number of data. Okay. Now we're going to use this to do the rearranging, so we'll come back to that. Our first step is then going to be working out the total score for all of the boys in that class. So not the mean score, not the average score, which is what we've been given is 15, but the total score of all 12 boys. So basically the sum of their scores. So the boys total is going to be given by, if we look at our triangle, the total is going to be mean times the number of data. Right, so we've got 12 boys, that's the number of data, times by the mean, which is 15, so that's going to be 180. Now we're going to do the same thing for the girls in the class, and we're going to work out the girls' total score, and that'll be the second step. Total score of all girls is our second step. So the girls' total score is going to be given by multiplying the mean, if we look at our triangle, by the number of data. So the mean of the girls is 17 and the number of girls in the class is 18. That's the number of data. So you've got 18 times 17 and that's going to be 306. Our third step is then going to be to combine the scores of the girls and the boys to get a combined score of the class, so the sum of all scores of that class. Yeah? So it's going to be 108 plus 306 for the total score of the class. Yeah? So collectively the whole class got 486 as the combined score. Now we're going to work out the combined mean. So we have the total scores of the entire class. Therefore, the combined mean is just again going to be quite straightforward. It's going to be 486, which is the total score, divided by the number of data. Well, there are 30 students in the class, 12 boys and 18 girls. That's 30. If I divide both of those, 486 divided by that, it's going to be 16.2 as our answer.